Oh, that's nice. River shoes, filthy. Always got to wear ankle socks. And off we go. Back to trail. There is the river after this walk. Bro, it's not even that bad. I think you complaining for nothing. Rocking the tube today, salt tube. It's a little clear out for this color, but you know what? Hell with it. I ain't worried about it, because I'm just fishing. But those flukes are like a go-to bait. They just have great action, great color, great everything. But ooh. Oh. Nah. I caught a damn, look at this, first catch of the day. Let's fucking go, dude. 10-pounder. Piece of bark. Try to get over in that little leafy area right there on those rocks. That's where we were catching a lot of them the last time. Come on, baby. Don't run towards me. Oh my God, look how fat she is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just did the Michael Jackson in the river. Absolutely chubby. Oh, I'm telling you, bro, these fucking rocks out here are crazy. There she goes. Oh, God, man. My finger hit the damn line. Maybe that was luck. Maybe I dropped it right on a 10-pounder. I could have. I could have not. Could have not. You never know. He's running towards me. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. Told you guys, he was sitting right in those rocks. And then he finally came up and took it. That's a smallie right there. That's a smallie right there, babe. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Whatever you are, thank you for your participation. I'm talking to the fish. Give it a kiss. She's off. Oh, she ran back towards my foot. Because you never know where a fish is sitting. To be completely honest, there's thousands, millions of rocks out here. Thousands of millions different species of anything, insect. But one thing I want to record a video on is catching hellgrammite and using the hellgrammite. If you guys don't know what hellgrammite are, they're little centipedes in rivers that actually have big pinchers on them. And smallmouth and catfish and any fish in the river just absolutely loves a hellgrammite. Can never go wrong. I don't know anymore though. That was also when I was a kid. Well, like I still am a kid, but when I was like, you know, way younger. Way younger. We used to we used to actually get nets. And we used to lift up rocks in the river, and then we'd take those hellgrammites and we'd take them and we'd fish the we'd fish the entire Monocacy with them. Monocacy is the greatest place to find, you know, hellgrammites and stuff like that. So that was our video, and basically we're gonna be trying to continue to do videos like that, and we really enjoy being at the rivers, and we really enjoy fishing, and we want to actually start spreading this among people who live around us more than anybody else, because it's a really good thing to do, and there's a lot of people who go through different things, and me personally, I think fishing is a good way to get out and get away from things and, you know, be in peace and, you know, just enjoy yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed and are gonna enjoy the next couple motherfucking videos we're gonna be doing, or a lot of videos depending, but we're pretty dedicated to shit, and we're not worried about getting millions of views and shit. We just, like I said, we want to give to everybody like what we're doing and how we live our lives every day. But peace.